Hello everyone, welcome back to HS Academy. Today we are going to learn present continuous, so the present continuous is a tense in English. Let's look at the meaning of the present continuous. There are three main meanings that we're going to look at. They are similar, but slightly different. Let's go over the first meaning. Look at the example sentence. Alex is on the plane. He is on his way to London. Alex is flying to London. The words in green color indicate the present continuous. This meaning shows that Alex is flying right now at the time of speaking. The action is continuing and isn't finished. That's meaning 1. Let's look at the second meaning. Look at this example. Sarah is talking on the phone. She says to her friend, "I am reading an amazing book at the moment. I highly recommend it." The words in green color indicate the present continuous. This meaning shows that Sarah is reading a book nowadays. She has started it but she hasn't finished it. She isn't reading it at the time of speaking. So it's slightly different to meaning 1. Meaning 1 is talking about something at the time of speaking. Meaning 2 is talking about something happening nowadays, but not necessarily right now at the time of speaking. Let's look at meaning 3. Smith is talking to the CEO of the company. He says to the CEO, "The company is growing rapidly this year. We are having an amazing 12 months. The words in color indicate the present continuous. But this meaning shows the company is doing well around this time period, which is 1 year. It is changing over this long time period. Those are the three meanings of the present continuous. You can notice they're similar, they're related, but there are little differences between each one. The first one is talking about right now, at the time of speaking. The second one is nowadays, around this time. And the third one is over a longer period. For example, this year, I'm getting better and better at playing football. So it's over a longer period and it's changing over this period. This year I'm getting better and better at playing football. The structure is quite simple for the present continuous. We use am, is, or are, plus ing verb. For example, I am eating dinner. He is walking to the shop. And they are shouting very loudly. You can notice am, is, are, plus ing verb. The negative structure for present continuous is also quite simple. Just add, not in between, am, is, are, and ing verb. For example, I am not studying at the moment. It is not working very well. They are not watching the football match. This is the negative structure for present continuous. The question structure for present continuous is am, is, are. The subject, for example he, she, you, or someone's name, plus ing verb. For example, am I doing it properly? Is he sleeping yet? Are you looking in the right place? Now let's look at the example sentences. Are you watching the new series of Game of Thrones? It's so exciting. Please turn down that music. I'm working. What a beautiful day. The weather is getting better and better. Your baby is growing up so quickly. Is she doing well at kindergarten? Sarah is having so much fun in Thailand. She's relaxing on a beautiful beach right now, soaking up the sun. Well done, Tommy. You're working very hard today. Keep up the good work. Come on, let's go outside. It's not raining anymore. You're not throwing the ball properly. Watch me. Alex is working extremely hard, but he's not getting any recognition from the boss. Nowadays, the world is changing dramatically, the internet is connecting people, smartphones are changing the way we communicate, and cities are offering opportunities like never before. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like, share, comment, and do not forget to subscribe our channel.